Hello, good morning. I come to tell you about the technology in the work of my mom and my uncle. First, I asked my mom what was your first hobby, and she answered, my first hobby was in the peak of the apple. It is a word the relation the technology with the life also have relation with the import in use life. After I asked my mom how was the technology in the first hub, and she answered the technology was the basket where apples are put. Also answered my uncle was not busy. Although I think what yes, although no was advanced. Actually, my mom worked in the presidency. She head of the catastrophe. Then I asked what is the benefit of the technology in your home. My mom answered, on the benefits has been that we do the help faster and people do not wait that long. And my uncle answered, it's a total benefit. Everything is faster. Next, I ask, you like more before or know your work in relation to technology? My uncle answered, I like more in the more now because of the speed. And my mom answered, well, I like my work as it was manually. No, with technology because you learn in two ways and if you need to learn it. Also, my mom added that technology facilitates your hobby, but that can also be distraction.